Welcome to another video. In the dynamic landscape of the gig economy and ever-evolving job market, the concept of a traditional 9-to-5 job is gradually being replaced by the allure of side hustles. More and more individuals are exploring opportunities beyond their primary occupations, seeking financial independence and diverse streams of income. As we step into 2024, the world of side hustles presents exciting avenues for those looking to not only make ends meet, but to potentially amass a fortune. In this video, we'll delve into some of the best side hustles that have the potential to help you rake in millions in 2024. Let's get started with the video. Best side hustles to make millions from in 2024. E-commerce entrepreneurship. The advent of the internet has transformed the way we shop, ushering in the era of e-commerce. E-commerce entrepreneurship stands out as a premier side hustle in 2024, offering unparalleled opportunities for financial success. Platforms such as Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy have democratized the process of starting an online business, allowing individuals to turn their passions into profit. In the vast realm of e-commerce, various models cater to different entrepreneurial aspirations. For those seeking a low-risk entry, dropshipping offers the advantage of selling products without the need for inventory management. Print-on-demand services empower creative minds to design custom merchandise without the hassle of production and fulfillment. Moreover, the appeal of handmade and unique products finds a home on platforms like Etsy, where artisans can showcase their craftsmanship to a global audience. Crafting a compelling brand narrative and investing in a visually appealing online storefront. Crucial steps towards standing out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Digital marketing consulting. In the fast-paced realm of digital marketing, staying ahead of trends and algorithm updates is crucial for success. As a digital marketing consultant in 2024, it's not just about understanding the basics of social media management, SEO, or content creation. It's about navigating the ever-evolving digital landscape. Social media platforms continue to shape the way businesses connect with their audience. A successful digital marketing consultant must have a deep understanding of the algorithms, user behavior, and trends on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and emerging platforms like TikTok. Crafting compelling content that resonates with the target audience and aligns with the platform's nuances is key to maximizing engagement. Cryptocurrency investments. The allure of cryptocurrency investments has transcended the realm of tech enthusiasts, captivating the attention of seasoned investors and newcomers alike. As we navigate the intricate landscape of digital currencies in 2024, the potential for substantial returns remains high, making it a compelling side hustle for those willing to embrace the volatility and opportunities within the crypto market. Remote freelancing. As the digital revolution reshapes the way we perceive employment, remote freelancing has emerged as a transformative force in the job market. The traditional constraints of location and office hours are giving way to a more flexible and dynamic work environment. Freelancers, armed with specialized skills, are capitalizing on this shift, finding opportunities that not only offer financial rewards but also a lifestyle characterized by autonomy and flexibility. In the realm of remote freelancing, the gig economy plays a pivotal role. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have become bustling marketplaces, connecting freelancers with businesses seeking specific talents. This virtual marketplace transcends geographical boundaries, enabling freelancers to collaborate with clients from different corners of the globe. Real estate investment. Real estate investment remains a stalwart in the realm of wealth creation, offering both stability and potential for significant returns. Beyond the traditional avenues of property ownership, innovative approaches have emerged, making real estate investment more accessible and dynamic than ever. The tried-and-true method of directly owning residential or commercial properties continues to be a robust investment strategy. This involves purchasing real estate with the expectation of generating income through rental yields and benefiting from property appreciation over time. While this method may require a substantial upfront investment, the long-term rewards can be substantial, making it an enduring option for those with financial means. Online courses and coaching. The surge in online learning has not only transformed traditional education, but has also created a thriving space for individuals to share their expertise through online courses and coaching services. Aspiring entrepreneurs can leverage this trend, not only as a source of supplemental income, but as a means to empower others on their learning journeys. Creating and selling online courses has become increasingly accessible with platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare. These platforms provide a global reach, allowing course creators to connect with a diverse audience interested in acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones. Whether you're proficient in coding, graphic design, digital marketing, or any specialized field, the demand for structured online learning experiences is ever expanding. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. With the vast array of products available online, finding a niche that aligns with your interests can be a profitable venture. Building a robust online presence through blogs, social media, or YouTube can significantly amplify your affiliate marketing efforts. App development. In a world dominated by smartphones, the demand for innovative and user-friendly applications is insatiable. If you have coding skills or can collaborate with developers, creating and monetizing mobile apps can be a lucrative side hustle. From gaming apps to productivity tools, the app market offers endless possibilities for those with a creative and entrepreneurial spirit. Stock trading and investment. While stock trading carries inherent risks, it also presents significant opportunities for financial gains. With the accessibility of online trading platforms, individuals can buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other securities with relative ease. However, successful stock trading requires a deep understanding of the market and diligent research. Podcasting. The podcasting industry has experienced exponential growth in recent years, providing individuals with a platform to share their expertise or entertain audiences. Monetization avenues include sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and listener support through platforms like Patreon. Creating engaging content and building a loyal audience can turn podcasting into a lucrative venture. The side hustle landscape in 2024 is brimming with opportunities for those willing to explore diverse avenues beyond traditional employment. Whether you're leveraging the power of e-commerce, investing in cryptocurrencies, or tapping into the gig economy, the potential to make millions from a side hustle is more attainable than ever. However, it's essential to approach each opportunity with careful consideration, dedication, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing dynamics of the modern economy. For more videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.